afternoon. My name is Nihal Singh and I am from Proud Technologies. Today I am going to give you the demonstration on CaseKeeper. Alright, so this is the login screen of CaseKeeper. If you want to get into the login panel of CaseKeeper, you need to give the username and the password. So the username is CK040507 and the password is, so this is the password, and after giving the username and password, just click on the sign in button. After clicking on the sign in button, you will get into the CaseKeeper panel. Alright, so this is the dashboard of the CaseKeeper. Alright, so as we can see that we have the dash panel, and we have three things of the dash panel. First is total deceased cases, which is 2, total maintained cases, which is 1, total allotted cases, which is 0. Alright, so this is the dashboard of the CaseKeeper, and which ID, who is the CaseKeeper? We have only one CaseKeeper right now, that is CK040507. Alright, and if you want to make more CaseKeeper, so we can also create more than one CaseKeeper. Alright, so right now we have only one CaseKeeper in our admin panel, which is going to maintain, deceased and allot all the cases. Alright, so as I told you in our earlier section that if you want to see the case detail, you just need to click on the number. So when you click on the number, you will get the page where you can see or you can view all the details of the cases. As I told you that there was only 2 cases, so these are the details of the cases: case number, case type, petitioner, respondent. Alright, and if you want to find the in a particular case, you just need to give the case number here or case type, click on the search button, you will get the particular case on the grid view. Alright, so that is the total cases. Get back to the dashboard. So that was the total deceased cases. As I told you earlier, what is deceased cases? Deceased cases means are that cases which nothing is going on, that cases that comes into the deceased cases. Alright, and the total maintained cases, we have only one total maintained cases. What is maintained cases? Maintained cases means that if we want to move a case from library to appeal section, for example, like what is the working criteria of CaseKeeper? CaseKeeper have all type of cases, and after that, if the CaseKeeper sends the case to the library where a court can keep all their cases into the library. Alright, and after that, if the petitioner is not happy with the court judgment, so they can apply into the any other higher level court. Alright, so for that they can send the case to the appeal section. Alright, so CaseKeeper maintain the cases, they send the case to the library section, or they can send the case to the appeal section if the petitioner is not happy with the judgment and they want to make a case to the higher level. Alright, so that is maintained cases, and we have, as we can say that we have only number one in the front of total maintained cases. It means that we have only one case to maintain. Alright, and if you want to check the details, just click on the one number and you will get a page where you can see all the details of the file. Alright, so this is the case, and as we can see that the case number and the case type and the code number. So it means that code number 1 shows that the case is all the hearing of this particular case is going on the code number 1, and this is a criminal case, and this is the case number. Alright, so this is the maintained cases. And total allotted cases 0, so we don't have any case to allot, that is why it is showing 0. Alright, so please come to the cost list. So when you click on the cost tab, this screen will appear on into the screen, and we can see that we have 3 tabs. First is disposed case, second is maintained case, and third is assigned case. So what is disposed case? Disposed case means that if a case is the judgment on a case is finished, alright, and after that the case is finished. When the case is finished, that case goes into the library section. Alright, and library section keep all the files from the first day to date. All right, so that is library. And where the case is going after disposing the case is goes into the library section. All right, so right now when you click on the dispose case, we will get only one file. We have only one file right now in the dispose case section, and if you want to dispose the case, so for that we need to click on the maintain case. So just click here, and when you click here, what you need to fill the archive number. All right, archive number, it could be like archive number is 12126, or in which room number the archive number is coming. It might be 1001. all right, and after the physical location, so it means that this is a particular location of the file, right, where the file is exists in the library section. So who is going to decide that? The case keeper is going to decide that where the file is in the library. All right, so this is the address, this is the physical address of the case. All right, archive number, you need to give the archive number. After that, in which room number the archive number is exists, and after that the physical location. All right, just take an example, like I want to go a place, the address of that particular place is 26B Connaught Place, New Delhi. All right, so 26B is the archive number, Connaught Place is the room number, and Delhi is the physical location. All right, so that is the example, best example to reach at that particular place. So this is the physical location of the file where in the library we are going to keep the file. All right, so who is going to decide it? The case keeper is going to decide about the file. All right, so when you give archive number, record room number, physical location, and after when you click on the add button, automatically this file go into the library section where a case keeper maintain all the cases. All right, so that is the dispose case. And when we keep the file into the library section, when the case is disposed, then only we can keep the file into the we can keep the file into the library section. Right, so that is disposed cases. After that, maintained cases. So when you click on the maintain cases, you will get we have only one file over here, and if you want to edit anything or any data in the file, you just need to click on the edit button, and when you click on the edit button, you will get a screen where you have archive number, record number, and the physical location of the file, and you can change and you can give any changes. Like right now we have 1, 2, 3, the archive number, ABC is the record room number, and physical location is ABC 1, 2, 3. And if I want to make some changes, or so we can change the data, or after that we will update it. All right, when we update it, automatically it will change the data. All right, so this is the maintain cases, and I'm telling you about how to edit it. After that, allowed to appeal section. All right, so it means that as I told you earlier, if the case is the petitioner is not happy with the case judgment. If the petitioner is not happy with the case judgment, they want to appeal, or they can appeal into the next higher level of the court, might be higher court or Supreme Court or anything else. So they can appeal, they can take their file or keep their file into the appeal section. So what is going on the appeal section? In appeal section, a petitioner can apply for the higher stage. All right, if they are not happy with the judgment. All right, so that is appeal section. So just click on the maintain cases. All right, so this is maintain cases, and as we can see that it is showing no details found, because I have when I clicked on the allot to appeal section, automatically that file moved from case keeper to appeal section. That is why it is showing no details found. Before I clicked on the appeal section, we have one file. All right, and when I clicked on the appeal section, automatically that file moves from case keeper to appeal section. Alright, that is why we don't have any file right now here. And after that, assigned cases. Assigned cases mean that as I'm telling you, when we assign a case from case keeper to appeal section, that case is moved from case keeper to appeal section. Alright, and who is assigned that case? The case keeper assigned that case. So when you click on the assigned case, that file comes from maintained case to assigned case, because that case has been assigned from case keeper to appeal section. That is why we have one file over here in the assigned cases. Alright, so file return date. If you want to check the file return date, you just need to click on the link, which is click here, and you will get the file return date. Alright, what is the date? So you can also enter the return date of the file, and when you click on the add, or it will automatically add into the file. Right, so this is the cause list of the case keeper. Right, so now case search. So what is case search? As I told you in our earlier section, the case search is if you want to search any case, we have some given parameters like case number, case type, date from, date to, and if you want to search any file from date to given to date, so you can search that by the date. And if you have the case number of the file, just give the case number of the file into the text box and click on the search button. Automatically you will get the file. Alright, and if you don't have the case number, you can just give the case type of the file. Case type of the file, what kind of case it is civil case, criminal case, or anything else, and click on the search button, you will get the file. So this is the searching parameter of the case keeper. And after that, support. So what is going on the support? If a case keeper have any kind of problem related to the software or anything else, so they can just put the subject in the subject box and give the message in the message box and submit. After submitting, admin panel reach complaint from case keeper. Alright, and they get back as a resolution. So this is all about the case keeper panel, and we will get back to you in our next section, where we will give you the demonstration on next panel. Right, so till then, thank you, bye bye.